It is too heavy. It is too heavy. He can drive a car. He can drive a car. She can swim well. She can swim well. It can fly. It can fly. He is opening the box. He is opening the box. She is folding the clothes. She is folding the clothes. It is a small cat. It is a small cat. He is tying his shoes. He is tying his shoes. She is setting the table. She is setting the table. It is getting dark. It is getting dark. He is feeding the dog. He is feeding the dog. She is cutting vegetables. She is cutting vegetables. It is in the basket. It is in the basket. He is talking to his friend. He is talking to his friend. She is washing the dishes. She is washing the dishes. It is very soft. It is very soft. He is taking a photo. He is taking a photo. She is wearing a yellow scarf. She is wearing a yellow scarf. It is moving slowly. It is moving slowly. He is fixing the fan. He is fixing the fan. She is baking a cake. She is baking a cake. It is floating on the water. It is floating on the water. He is cleaning his room. He is cleaning his room. She is packing her bag. She is packing her bag.